Here's a new commercial kitchen deep cleaning welcome video for every food production manager who wants to degrease their kitchen's extraction system, canopy, filters and have a clean, efficient fan motor that runs smoothly without having to try and degrease your kitchen extraction system yourself. Hi, I'm Ayanda. I help people deep clean their food production businesses. I can help you keep your business deep cleaned. Let me explain when it comes to commercial kitchen deep cleaning. What Sure Deep Clean can do to help you. Our goal is to deep clean and certify the kitchen extraction systems for food businesses in Northern Ireland. Sure Deep Clean is based in Newtownabbey, Northern Ireland, just outside Belfast. We help local commercial hospitality businesses clean their kitchen and grease from their ductwork extraction. We have teams available to help businesses with the grease extraction system, certification to TR19 standards and business deep cleaning services. From cleaning the hood, vents, duct pipes, fan motors, and chimney for your kitchen's exhaust system. We can fit and supply access doors, fan motors, and new ducting. Fire damper testing keeps your system working well and protecting against the spread of fire. We thoroughly clear grease, carbon, fat and dust deposits from the system that could lead to a fire or an illness. Regular equipment deep cleaning for cookers, ovens, grills, canopy filters, and chip fryers. We can also clean your large commercial building, internally or externally, including factories and manufacturing plants. High-level cleaning and property maintenance. For specialist services, we are equipped to clean carpets and hard floors by dry steaming them. Disinfection in rooms with fogging and misting. Professional power washing graffiti, gum and odor removal outside and around bin stores. Healthcare settings like care home sanitization. Regular maintenance services are carried out with engineers who diagnose and remedy equipment for its longevity and efficiency. Jonathan is the owner. He runs Sure Deep Clean and our sister companies. He has built a place here where you can get your commercial food production systems and equipment hygienically deep cleaned and reduce the risk of accidental fires with TR19 fire safety guidance and cleaning procedures to create a safe and enjoyable place for your workers and customers to experience and talk about. So, here's how every food production manager can move forward. We can clean your business to the right TR19 standards and provide you with certificates of work. Proof you have carried out your due diligence when it comes to fire safety regulations for insurance companies. The main idea here is that you can keep the kitchen safe from fire risks without having to try and degrease your kitchen extraction system yourself. And, if you want to really make this work for you, take a minute to book a free survey and free quotation by clicking the button below and schedule a time that suits your work schedule. This makes it easy for you to certify your system and show your insurance company certificates you can rely on without having to try and degrease your kitchen extraction system yourself.